Kung palagatasan lang ang turing mo sa business mo, matutuyot yan soon, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Believe it or not, merong mga business owners na ang primary goal nila in putting their hands on the business is to take and take and take and take. Yung bang saktuhan na nga lang kung kumita yung negosyo, madalas pang kinukuhanan ng pera for personal use. Para bang extension yung business ng wallet nila. Yes sir, Migs, business nila yun eh. Pera din nila yun. Ano masama dun? Well, taking money from the business without understanding its cash flow requirement could impair the business itself. Ang negosyo, kailangan maayos ang daloy ng pera. Kung hindi, parang tao din na kung hindi maayos yung daloy ng dugo, may stroke yan. There should be enough resources to sustain day-to-day operations, support unexpected situations, and provide allowance for growth. Kung bunot ka ng bunot ng pera, aabot ka sa puntong maniningil na yung supplier, wala kang cash na pambayad. Kaya titigil yung supply, titigil din yung benta. In the end, pareho kayo ng business mo na tuyot ang bulsa. To achieve this, kailangan may proper cash flow planning. And to achieve this, kailangan may maayos na accounting records readily available for you to monitor your cash flow and make better decisions for your business. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.